Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Today we will do some fill in the blanks with the more suitable verbs. So there will be four options will be given and you have to choose any one best suitable verbs to fill in the blanks. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1. More than one man space burnt. Option number A is being, B was, C were, D are being. Now tell me which option is the best to fill in the blanks. The correct answer will be option number B, that is was. Question number 2. We space to visit the museum. Option number A will like, B like, C would like, and D both B and C. The correct answer will be option number D, that is both B and C. It means B like and C would like, both are correct option. Next question number 3. I space you how to operate it. Option number A shall show, B show, C showed, D shown. The correct answer will be option number A, that is shall show. Next question. As he space not satisfied with the answers, he space the lesson tomorrow. The correct answer will be option number A, that is as he is not satisfied with the answers, he will repeat the lesson tomorrow. So the option number A will be correct answer. Next question. Either of us space done his work. A have, B has, C had, D will have. The correct answer will be option number B, that is has. Next question 6. She shall space you a new pair of jeans on your birthday. Option number A got, B gotten, C get, D getting. The correct answer will be option number A, that is got. Next question. I have been space to bake a perfect cake since morning. Option number A tries, B try, C trying, D tried. The correct answer will be option number C, that is trying. Next question. Yes space the ball very far and the ball went across the road. Option number A throw, B thrown, C throws, D threw. The correct answer will be option number D, that is threw. Next question. He was space by a snake. A bitten, B bite, C biting, D bit. The correct answer will be option number A, that is bitten. He was beaten by a snake. Next question. The ship dash to the bottom of the sea. Option number A, sank. B, sink. C, sinking. D, sunken. The correct answer will be option number A, that is sank. The ship sank to the bottom of the sea. Next question. I never space to miss my drawing classes in school. A, used. B, used. C, using. D, uses. The correct answer will be option number A, used. Next question. I would space him if he had apologized. A, forgive. B, have forgave. C, have forgive. D, have forgiven. The correct answer will be option number D, that is have forgiven. I would have forgiven him if he had apologized. Next question. I don't know how the money I kept in my wallet got space. A, stolen. B, steal. C, stole. D, stealed. The correct answer will be option number A, that is stolen. Next question. C space the mail last week. A, gets. B, gotten. C, get. D, got. The correct answer will be option number D, that is got. Question number 15. Space, milk is good for health. A, drunk. B, drinks. C, drank. D, drinking. Now here the correct answer will be option number D, drinking, because we all know drink is a verb, and when we will put ing, okay, to make it gerund, it will work as a subject. So drinking is the correct answer. Next question, question number 16. It was pitch dark, however, there is space, a ray of light that came from the farmer's hut. A, was. B, is. C, can be. D, could be. The correct answer will be option number A, that is was. Next question, question number 17. I will not be able to space my project on time. A, completed. B, completing. C, completes. D, complete. The correct answer will be option number D, that is complete. Next question. I would have space down from the window as I was feeling very dizzy. A, falling. B, fell. C, fall. D, fallen. The correct answer will be option number D, fallen. Next question. My brother scolded me because I space through the hills late in the night when it was raining heavily. A, drove. B, driven. C, driving. D, drive. The correct answer will be option number A, that is drove. Question number 20 and last of this topic. These days, Rahul spaces his homework very often. A forgotten, B forgot, C forget, D forgets. The correct answer will be option number D, that is forgets. Okay, thank you for today.